Well, today is the day where I finally got a PS5 and Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. I'm going to be opening this thing. First time ever opening one. It's going to be interesting. I don't know if I can do it with one hand though. But we'll make progress. Alright, I have the tab open. Make sure the thing's in there, don't they? Alright, everything's out of the box. This is the nice new DualSense controller. That's going to get some use for sure. It takes Type C. That's nice. God of War Ragnarok. Already got the game for the PS4, so that's kind of useless. Let's see, this must be the stand that comes with the system. Yeah, this is stand. HDMI, power cord. I don't need none of that. Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. I'm not going to open it. Not right now. Now for the main attraction. This right here. The whole 2 years of waiting to finally get one. Look at that. Look how sharp that is. That is extremely fancy. It looks extremely nice. I like how it looks. Well, that's my unboxing of my PS5. So now I have to hook this bad boy up.